Hello mga vibes, magandang umaga. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Gran Canaria at dito yung local natin. So itutoy natin kung ano yung maliit lang kasi lang nandun na yung beach. Ganda din. So punta tayo sa so naka-toy lang siya. Yep. We got the elevator. We got the elevator, and so we're gonna use the stairs. Okay, so this one is nothing in there.
No.
Just an office.
No.
Huh?
No. No.
Yeah. Okay then. So, ito yung sa nakikita tayo sa ayan. So, we're at the room. So, binigyan lang tayo ng code. Okay, let's go in. And this is the room. There's some big telly. So there's double bed. And yep. That's simple. Yeah, tsaka mayroon dito syempre toilet. Yeah. That's the room. Ano siya, medyo malaki po siya ng konti. Sa kadalasan nakukuha natin na na parang condo type. Alright, so punta tayo mamaya doon sa kasi meron din silang parang dining area. Okay. Yan. Listening our music and then we're gonna have some coffee. At saka this one, the noodles. It's very nice. Because there's some noodles that is salted, but this one is very good. Yes. Alright, yes. So alright, so mga kabay, nandito tayo sa grupo na room. Okay? So, sa grupo na room, maganda. Actually, they got their own elevator. Yeah? They got their own elevator. Yun. Pwede yan, naka-record ka. It's okay? Yan. So, 6 ka nandito. Yeah. Morning. Hooray. Morning. So, maganda. Parang masalok sila.
Sino talaga thank you?
Thank you. Ay, magalang na. Thank you.
Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about all ills and tears, even if our last parades were never clear.